Hello, going to have a little bit of a chat today about repairs. I'm a little bit of a simpleton, so I've made myself a list. So obviously a big thank you when you drop your repair into us, and we will get it back to you as soon as we possibly can. However, there's a few things we need to talk to you about as we're doing a repair or when you drop it in. Firstly, we'll try and give you a bit of a quote or a bit of an estimate. That could be a bit difficult. Sometimes we don't know what's wrong with it, but we'll be able to give you a bit of an estimate when you drop your machine in. Waiting times is always a bit of an issue, especially in summer. They can blow out a little bit. So 2 weeks, 3 weeks is fairly common in summertime to wait for a repair to be done. Don't tinker. If it's a warranty repair, don't touch it. If you touch your machine, it will cause us all manner of grief trying to get your machine fixed under warranty. That can be a big issue for us getting warranty repairs done for you. You will receive a text when your machine is ready. We'll flick you a text to say your machine's done. If we run into some trouble, we'll give you a call. So just be aware that we may call you if we have some issues with your repair or if the cost is going to blow out, we'll always give you a buzz. Having a chat is free. So have a chat to us when you drop your machine in. We'll be able to talk to you about what to expect for a repair and how it's going to go going forward. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll see my handsome face talking to you about this and all sorts of other gear in further episodes. See ya.